Hello friends, welcome to my channel Empowered. The question is the order of leaf node in a B plus tree is a maximum number of pairs it can hold. And the pair are defined as value and data pointer. So one pair will contain a value and data record pointer. So the order of leaf node in B plus tree is the maximum number of pair it can hold. Given the block size is 1 kilobyte, 1 kilobyte means 1024 byte. Data record pointer size is 7 byte long, and the value field is 9 byte long, and the block pointer is 6 byte long. And they are asking what is the order of that leaf node. So it is given the data pointer size is 7 byte, value is 9 byte, and block pointer is 6 byte. And in case of leaf node of B plus tree, we know that it will like this. So these are the pairs, and only one is for block pointer. So how many pair are there? So we have to for this we have to know what is the order of that node. So let's pick the order of the node is P. So total, and the it is mentioned that the pair will be developed by value plus data pointer. So the size of the pair will be value plus size of data pointer, size of value, that is 7 byte, and size of data pointer, that is 9 byte. So one pair has 7 plus 9 byte long, and we take that the order of the leaf node is P. So this many pairs are there, total number of pairs are this, and the data pointer is the record pointer is 6 byte. So we have added 6 here, and it is mentioned that total size of that block is 1024. So with this value and the data record pointer, that should not exceed the size of that block. So this is the equation. If you find this, you will get the value of P will be 63 point something, but we know that order cannot be a fraction, so order is 63. So for this question the answer will be 63. Thank you.